How to withdraw from Bitget account to Binance. So if you want to withdraw a crypto or any crypto from Bitget account to Binance, this video is for you. So now go ahead and open up now your Binance app. After you open the Binance, now go to assets. From this assets, now go to deposit. From the deposit section, now go and select the coin or a crypto you want to deposit. For me, I want to deposit USDT. So select the USDT like this now and select the network. So I will choose BNB. So from this option now, here is the address. Now copy the address. Now I'll copy the address of my USDT from my Binance. Now go back to the Bitget account. After you open the Bitget like this now, go ahead and tap on the search and search for withdrawal. Just type in withdraw. So if you type in withdraw, as you can see now, by typing the with, it will give you this withdraw. So select the withdraw. So from this option now, it will give you list of coins. So as you can see now, here is the list of coins. Go ahead and search for the coin if you can't find the coin in this option. But here is now my USDT. So from there, tap on this on-chain withdrawal. So from this option now, go ahead now and type in the address in this option now. After you paste in the address, so in this option now, go and select the network. Here is the network BNB. So from this option now, go and specify the amount you want to withdraw. So the minimum amount you can withdraw of USDT is $10. So I'll just go ahead and type in 20. So from there now, if I tap on this withdraw button, now the money will be sent into my Binance account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.